What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how you can remotely access someone else's computer from your own computer, how you can go and open all of the files whatever they have on their computer from your computer. It doesn't matter if someone is from a different country, someone is from different area, someone has a different location, or someone has a different operating system. It doesn't matter about that. You can go and see their computer from your computer with the power of using an internet. It's not about just the internet, you need a software to make that thing possible. So that software name is TeamViewer, and another software is also AnyDesk. I uses both one, but TeamViewer is the legend one. So I'm saying it legend because I'm using it for like more than a decade now. So that's the reason I'm saying about TeamViewer. And AnyDesk is also a good remote access software. So just go and search TeamViewer, or as always in my link in the description, you can go and end up on this website. Click on download it for personal use. If you are doing some business, you have to go and buy that one, but if you are using it for personal use, it's for free. And another one I talked about is AnyDesk. You can go and do that one as well if you want to. AnyDesk fast remote desktop, so you can go and use power of desktop and access anyone else's computer. Click on free download, and there you go, you are going to go and get a free access. There's a guy and he is watching someone's mobile phone, someone's tablet, someone's laptop, someone's desktop computer. So one guy can see all of the text, and it's going to go and store their code. So how you can go and do that one, I'm going to go and tell you about. Right now TeamViewer has been installed, so I'm going to go and click on basic information. So I'm going to be personal, non-commercial, I'm just an individual. So click on yes, I agree, and it is going to go and start download that one. So hold up for it to install. So it is going to give you some details. So this is very informative. So this remote control is very display. So it is going to go and give you the ID on it, and you are going to go and have some password. So if you want to know someone else and you need to go and access someone else, you need to know what their ID is, and you have to go and put the ID on this one, and it is going to go and connect it to that different person's computer, and that's how you can go and access that one. So this is going to be your own profile, and this is going to be like if you want to know and join more of the people, you can do that one as well. You can chat with the contact, but I usually do is call them and they take the access of them. You can go and talk to them on their phone, and you can go and directly access their computer, or you can go and do the Skype calling and they access their own computer as well and do the multitasking for that. And it is going to go and give you all of the details, navigation, quickly access and all. So I'm just going to go and close that one. Now it is going to go and give you this password, and this is my ID. I'm going to go and blur my ID because I don't want you to access my computer. If you go and add my ID, what you see on the screen right over here, you can go and connect it by my own computer, and I don't want anyone else to go and connect it to my computer because on YouTube I don't know how many people are going to go and check that one, and you have to go and add the partner's ID, and there you go, click on connect, and it is going to go and connect it to any individual. You are going to go and connect it, and you can go and start using their own computer. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and TeamViewer is going to go and help you out with accessing someone else's computer by sitting nowhere, and just with the power of internet and with the power of TeamViewer software. So I hope you found this video informative and useful. This is going to go and help you out with accessing someone else's computer. So see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.